See these ones I'm wearing, I made them myself. Okay, and I thought my daughter, okay, my daughter made this one. So these are simple things you can do, and you don't have to spend so much money going to buy your set of beads. Okay, so I'll show you the one I did. I made not just bracelets, I made this necklace. Yeah, and I made this. Okay, so these are things you can create, and you'll be happy that you did. All right, so let's go. So this is your fishing line. I have a lot of them here. The fishing line, your scissors. So this fishing line, it's elastic. Okay, so you see this one is not elastic. The one I used for my necklace is not elastic. Okay, but this one is elastic because you have to. There are different ways of making bracelets. So, but this is the simplest style you can use to create this. So I have different colors of beads. Okay, so you can actually use your old beads. Okay, like I have different colors. Instead of throwing them away, you recreate using them. All right, so let's go. Let's see how we're gonna combine the colors. So it's a matter of your imagination, how creative you are. See this one? Love it. Okay, so we put this in there. So you can create it in such a way that this one will be in the middle. When you wear it, it comes here like this one now. You can see the red. Okay. So we drop. This was made with beads. Can use beads to create a lot of things. This is for decoration, right? So you see this one? I've exhausted my beads. Look at this. It looks small for my wrist, right? So what do I do? I have this is big. Should I put red? Will it look awkward? To increase it, it has fallen. Let me find another one. I think I have another black, but it's not like this one. So let me tie this first and see how it goes. So what I'll do is to tie this. You can actually mix the colors if you want, like black in between the brown. Depends on what you want. Okay, let me tie it. First tying. Second tying. Third tying. The fourth. Okay, so going to cut it. So don't make it too tight, so you'll be able to expand it. You can see. The scissors is not that sharp, but it's serving already. Okay, so let me remove these ones. I love beads. I love beads. Okay, so this is it. Can you see that?